Namaste everyone. Today I would like to talk about human digestive system. The parts of human digestive system are buccal cavity, salivary gland, stomach, pancreas, gallbladder, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. It starts from buccal cavity and ends to anus. First I will tell how the food gets digested in our digestive system. So first food enter in buccal cavity, then mixes with saliva and the breakdown of starch into sugar happen in mouth and the saliva come from salivary gland and the swallow food pass into esophagus, which is also known as food pipe. The stomach secretes juice which break down protein into simpler substances and liquid form, and the liquid food goes to small intestine, which is 7.5 meters long. It receives secretion from liver, this is liver, and pancreas. From this got secretion, and the liver secretes bile juice, which is stored in sac called gallbladder. This is gallbladder. And the pancreatic juice acts on carbohydrate, fat, proteins and change them into simpler forms. Now finally food reaches the lower part of the small intestine, where the intestinal juices completely the digestion of all components of food. The carbohydrates get broken into simpler sugar such as glucose, fat into fatty acid and glycerol, and protein into amino acid. The digestive food can now pass into the blood vessels in the intestine. The inner wall of small intestine have thousands of finger-like structure which is called villi. You know what is the work and role of villi? Villi increases the surface area of digested food. Now, large intestine. This is large intestine and this is small intestine. The large intestine is wider and shorter than small intestine. It is 1.5 meter long in length. Its function is to absorb water and salt from undigested food material. This remaining waste passes into rectum and remains there as semi-solid feces. The fecal matter is removed through the anus time to time. Thank you.